Go.
Hi guys!
Hi guys, today Kenzie's going to be making, what are you gonna make?
Made.
You're gonna make slime.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright. Oh, that's not how you start it. Are you putting the glitter first? No, that's not how you started, silly. Okay, we first start with the glue. First start with the glue, not the tie. The glue. So you wanna put the glue in, Kenzie?
Yeah.
Let's put it for you in a cup, then you put it in, okay?
Made.
Oh.
Hi Dad.
No, say now we're gonna put the glue.
Hi Dad.
Okay, wait, 3, 2, 1, go. Now we're gonna put the glue. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, put the glue in.
Okay.
Whoa. That is so cool. We got all the white glue in there. All right, so what do you want to add now?
Pie, please.
You want to add the glitter?
Yeah.
Let's show them a look. Are you happy? Yeah? All right, so now let's put it in. A lot. You want me to help you? Let me see. Can I see? Let's just, all right. Yeah, put it in. Good job. Keep putting, shake. Keep putting.
Yeah. Halal.
Khalas, that's good? Oh, okay. So now, you want to put the tie? This is the tide, everyone. This is what makes it slime.
Yeah.
So let's open the tide. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Mommy, not apple pie. My not apple.
All right, let's put the tide in. Oh yeah. That looks super awesome. All right, you can mix now, Kenzie.
Let's have a high dive.
All right, mix.
Yay.
Yay.
Done.
No, mix with your hands. You have a spatula right here, silly.
Yeah. Like done.
Like Zidane from ACH2 Kids Fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bye to dive.
Yeah, especially for Kenzie's channel. Keep mixing. You're not done. Keep mixing.
Hi guys. I'll put on the table. How do you mix that side?
You want me to mix with you?
Yeah.
All right. Ooh. Okay, now with your hand, sweetheart. This is how you do it. You gotta keep adding more time. This is not enough.
Yeah.
Let's add a bit more. Sharing is caring. Okay, now mix. Want me to help you? Mix.
Apple hair.
Here, let's add a bit more. You want to add a bit more? Okay, now mix. Mix. Keep mixing. Oh, that's okay. You added lots. Let's mix. Oh, no, that's a lot. You have a lot in there, Missy. All right, mix. All right, adding a bit more pepper, I see. Are you all done? Okay, see you guys when the slime's done. Oh, wow. Amazing. It's all finished. Poke. Poke, poke, poke.
Oh my slime.
It's a bit sticky, huh? We added lots and lots of activator. Ooh, she dumped it. She told me you're gonna dump it.
No, don't touch.
Oh, don't touch, please.
Please don't touch.
Good job for saying please. Good job. Poke, poke, poke. Excuse me, I'm doing a video here.
Oh, sorry.
Wow, now you want to make a bubble?
Yeah.
All right, let's make a bubble. We tried doing a bubble, but it didn't quite work out, huh? Okay, say bye, guys. 3, 2, 1, go.
Bye guys with Pananato. Bye. That's 5. Bye.
Bye. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to put a big thumbs up and subscribe.